Hey guys, my name is Rakshit Bedak and I'm gonna show you how smart the elephants are. Like they are crazy smart. If you don't know them, they are nearly as smart as humans. You can see the log over there. It has broken that uh, tree and it has made the tree to fall on to that so on the solar fencing, and it has come from that side to this side. So I will show you. This is the area in which I always travel. Like if I had to go to that farm, then I have to go in this direction. It's right behind me. It's the road that in which I go to my farm every day. So it's a little bit scary, but let me tell you what it has done. The smartest of the elephants. I will show you. Before the solar fencing was there in this farm, the elephants usually would come from that side, and they would come here and they would take a bath in there. There is a pond here. There, all the elephants would take the bath, and they would come exactly in this position. Before the solar fencing was, they used to come here, and they used to go there. See, you can see the footprints of those elephants. Like, see, I'm gonna show you. Like, see. This is the huge the fucking elephants are. Like it's very big, right? See, this is very big. What it has done is it has broken the solar fencing gate on the which is on top of that home, which is on top of that home. It will come here, it will come here, take a bath. And what the smartest thing that it has done is, it has this is a silver tree, you know. It has broken the silver tree and it has pushed it like this. It has pushed the tree with its leg, and it has fallen on the solar fencing. So what the elephants have found out is that they always do this. This is the smartest thing that I think they have invented. I think they're gonna just, if you have any tree near a solar fencing, then they are gonna just push it over the solar fencing and pass through. Like, see, I will show you what it has done. See, oh, I can't touch it, I'll get shocked. See, it has come here, it has pushed that tree over to on top of the solar fencing, and the still branch is still on the solar fencing. See, all the poles are bended. This pole is bended, that pole is bended. They invested huge amount of money, like I don't know, they have spent around 3 to 4 lakh rupees for doing the solar fencing, and the elephants are just toying. Oh, see that one also. Oh, everything is bended over here. It has just passed through like this, and all you can see the footprints of these elephants. That is the smartest thing I have also observed. My farm also been elephants have entered my farm also as well. Not today, I don't know. I'm still going to my farm. I haven't been going to my farm. I didn't go yesterday, but right now I'm going to my farm. So I saw this, so I thought let you know what elephants can do and how smart are they. Okay guys, you have seen how smart the elephants can be. So in this channel I'm going to be talking about how to improve your coffee farm, tips and tricks, and all those kind of stuff about improving your coffee farm, and all those kind of stuff. Make sure you subscribe and smash that like button. So see you in the next one.